massive soaking drums are the first stage in transforming the raw hides. Here,
the pressure levels are holding steady right across the board.
Good, let's maintain this cycle speed.
Witness the precision of the automated dewatering machine, gently squeezing the hides with synchronized stainless steel rollers.
Look at the localized stress point on panel 7.
The algorithm flagged that as a micro-tear risk. Reroute it to manual inspection.
The advanced rotating rollers ensure unparalleled precision, processing even the largest hides with controlled mechanical action. The robot flagged this section, but the grain seems uniform to me.
Yes, it passes visual inspection. We can approve the batch.
Harnessing the power of industrial engineering, the fleshing machine operates with incredible precision, ensuring a smooth feed every time. The scale of this operation is truly breathtaking, demonstrating the pinnacle of automated efficiency.
This data point here seems slightly off.
It's within the acceptable margin. The system approved the batch.
Deep within the heart of the facility, our automated systems process and prepare the finest hides for the world market. Welcome to the deliming department, where automation handles thousands of hides with synchronized precision. Inside the massive deliming drum, premium hides undergo a carefully controlled treatment, ensuring optimal flexibility and smoothness.
Looks stable. The output levels are exactly where we modeled them.
Good. Let's maintain this sequence for the next cycle.
conveyor initialized. Robotic transfer commencing. Baiting process engaged.
Flexibility looks good. Moisture content is steady at 12%.
Okay, let's finalize the thickness measurement.
All batches confirmed for the pickling department. Maintain current pace.
The specific gravity reading here is slightly outside the target range for the pickling solution.
I see that. It's stable.
The scan shows a slight inconsistency in the flexibility data right here.
I see it. The thickness measurement seems stable, though.
Ensure the drums maintain optimal rotation speed. Already adjusted, the system is fully stabilized now.
The temperature in drum 4 is spiking slightly above the threshold.
Confirmed. Adjust the coolant flow rate by 5%.
Precision engineering ensures the highest quality leather, with synchronized hydraulics working in perfect harmony. Look here,
The precision on the second run is flawless.
Yes, the automatic adjustment feature is working perfectly now.
Here, the rotating cutting cylinders refine the hide, shaving it to a perfectly uniform thickness. It is this precision that reveals the flawless full...
The laser system detected a microabrasion here at coordinate 4B. The AI flagged it as a Class 2 inconsistency.
This is where the transformation happens. Gigantic stainless steel drums, guided by robotic precision. Emerging from the drums, the freshly dyed hides are carefully inspected by our automated systems, ensuring rich color and texture. These automated vacuum drying machines remove moisture with unprecedented precision, ensuring the leather retains its vibrant colors. Welcome to the heart of our facility, where premium leather is meticulously dried. Our climate-controlled environment ensures...
To achieve this level of softness, the hides are repeatedly pulled and stretched by these synchronized machines, a process known as staking.
Our automated systems apply an ultra-thin protective finish with exceptional precision.
The surface finish is flawless across the entire sheet. Agreed. All parameters pass the stress test. We can move this batch to cutting.
The fusion of high technology is evident as robotic
This
systems.
computerized nesting station uses advanced AI to optimize every leather sheet, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste.
Across this vast production floor, the rhythm of industry is maintained by these high-speed cutters.
The automated sorting system precisely organizes hundreds of leather components, ensuring every luxury travel bag kit meets our high standards. Ensuring exact placement on every leather component, the robotic positioning systems deliver perfectly aligned openings for the hardware installation.
Here, the centuries-old tradition of fine leatherwork meets the precision of the 21st century, ensuring every piece meets the highest standards.
Utilizing heavy-duty thread, the machines stitch the premium leather with exceptional, synchronized precision.
Quality check passed. Proceeding to next station.
Robotic precision, ensuring every component meets our exacting standards for luxury travel wear.
Absolutely flawless alignment on this one. The stitching is perfect. We can approve this batch.
Inspection cycle complete. 98% pass rate. Proceed to automated boxing. Every single one of these luxury bags undergoes a meticulous scan, ensuring flawless quality before export.
The stitching is flawless on this panel.
And the zipper action is very smooth.
Because true luxury demands uncompromising durability. Tested for life, guaranteed for travel. Applying load. Current tension, 80 kilograms. Handle stability, confirmed.
The humidity levels are stable at 85%.
Good. Let's maintain this for the next 4 hours and check the leather's moisture absorption.
The final touch, restoring the rich, natural sheen of our full-grain leather. Polished by precision.
International sortation complete. All packages diverted to global distribution lanes. Next cycle initiating.
We need that pallet for truck 12 right now. Yeah. Copy that, moving it over. Make sure it's scanned before it leaves the floor.
A new day begins as the convoy embarks on its journey. A testament to engineering connecting the world's most luxurious cargo crosses oceans, delivered with precision at the golden hour of global trade.
The seamless integration of robotics allows us to handle unprecedented volume, ensuring your luxury goods arrive on schedule.
The hallmark of true luxury lies not just in the material, but in the timeless design.
It begins with the finest hides, transformed by precision and technology into a masterpiece of travel.